The lighting really is the worst possible lighting for right now. Wow. Hey guys, I'm back with my review for the July 2018 Ipsy Glam Bag. This one is, got a text. And I'm on the website right now. Film on my phone, so we make do. This one I think was water themed. So the bag, I have to say, feels really cheap, which sucks because I normally really like the bags that Ipsy gives out. I use a lot of them just if I need them for the day. This, I get what they're going for with like the holographic and the blue, but it's just, it feels so cheap. The first thing I got were these sheet masks. These are the Cali C Caffeine Rush Nourishing Facial Sheet Masks. So, got two of them here. I'm gonna see what Ipsy has to say about them. This is an invigorating sheet mask that brings your skin back to life, made with a cocktail of healthy ingredients, including green coffee seed extract, I didn't know that was a thing, ginseng root extracts, argan oil, and soybean seed, which all sounds great. I know argan oil is used in a lot of things. I heard coffee's good for your skin too. A ginseng root extract boosts collagen production, heals damaged skin, and tones and brightens things up overall. Argan kernel oil and soybean seed work together to get your skin feeling pillowy, soft all over. Obviously, I just got my bag today, so I didn't have a chance to review these yet, but I will leave a review in the description, and because I'll try them out tonight and tomorrow night, or in a couple nights, whenever you're supposed to do sheet masks. So the first thing I have is Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer in the shade Fair, because I'm a pale bitch. I have to say, first off, this is a huge size for a sample. It's 0.8 fluid ounces, which that's a lot of product. This concealer says, we've been searching for a concealer that does it all, and this one does wonders on dark circles, hyperpigmentation, blemishes, and redness. It's long-lasting, waterproof, sweat-resistant, which good, because we're going through a heat wave here in Connecticut. People with oily skin, this is great. My skin is normally oily. It's been very dry this summer, which is weird. It dries down to a soft matte finish and doesn't feel heavy on your skin, which is great because for summer I want something light, but I love matte because I hate being oily. I'm not a dewy person. I've never loved dewy on me personally. And it's medium to full coverage and very buildable. So I put on a very sheer layer of my foundation, so I'm not going to do too much on. But let's see how this works. I'm just gonna swipe a little bit in a triangle. Normally I'll do the full triangle, but like I said, your girl did not go super hard. It's a little yellow, so I don't think I'll be able to use this when I'm pale. So it's blending out really nicely. So maybe it is just because I'm a pale bitch. It's not doing a lot for highlight. So I'm gonna try concealing an actual zit and seeing what happens. Or a couple. And some redness. It blends out really nicely, but it seems like a very sheer concealer. Like, I like how blendable it is, but it doesn't really do much. It covered the redness that I had, but it didn't really cover any acne. My foundation more did that. It didn't give me any highlight, which I need when I have a foundation that's slightly darker than my skin tone. This is fair. The fact that this is fair, I feel like there should be a lighter shade than this, or that their lightest shade should, I'm sure that there actually is like a better range than what Ipsy has, because Ipsy only has fair, light, light, medium, medium, dark, and dark. So the fact that I'm too pale for fair maybe is my fault. I just wish this had been a little bit lighter so that I could highlight more with it, because it is. I use Shape Tape, which is definitely a heavier concealer, and I would like for winter to just, you know, like if I could just apply a little bit and have highlight on my face and dimension and not, you know, and like not have it sweat off, because I love Shape Tape, but it's definitely a very heavy thing. I don't know. I'm just kind of disappointed that I'm so pale. So the next thing in my glam bag is this eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics, Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl Liner. And this one is in 03 Green Light. The other one was purple. I kind of preferred purple. It brings out the green in my eyes. Oh well. I got a lot of color in this bag. I'm not quite sure how it's going to work. I'm going to try. So bear with me. I'm just going to line my eyes very chunky. So I decided to go for a graphic green winged liner. Something really quick about the concealer before I move on to the eyeliner. Concealer claims to be creaseless, but it definitely got into my creases as I applied it to clean up the line. Now moving on to the eyeliner, I'm pretty sure I forgot to read its descriptions on Ipsy. They're super pigmented, waterproof, and last for up to 8 hours without smudging or fading. Wax-based and smooth, glides on easily. This is a vibrant metallic green, and they're cruelty-free, which is really great. But I don't know if you guys can see, I just applied these. Like, this one literally just went on, and there is already significant amounts in my crease. So this fades and smudges very easily. It does smudge well. Like, I smudged a little bit of it under my eye. I don't like how this one smudged. It would be cool to smudge it under your eye, which is what I should have done, but I went for graphic. I think I should have gone for more graphic and just done like most of my lid green, but it's too late to do that now. But yeah, I didn't prime my lid also, which I should have done. I always do. I just didn't feel like it today. That could amount for the smudging, but I think it's just a very smudgy liner. It's a wax liner. I think a lot of the ones that are very smooth are very smudgy. The next thing I'm reviewing is this Ella Eden pressed eyeshadow in Harmony. It's this really pretty rosy metallic peachy kind. It's very pretty. It's an eyeshadow. Super buildable, won't crease when you layer it on. We applied one swipe for a pop of color and applied more for major impact. It's a rosy peach shade, there we go. It's flattering on so many skin tones. We love it on our lids, but it gives the prettiest peachy glow when we apply it on our cheeks. So obviously I did my lids, but I'm going to apply just a little. Where's a good brush for this? I don't know. I just saw it earlier and now it's gone. Whatever, I'll just use this one. So I'm just going to put a little on my brush. Just apply it to the inner corner. I like it. It's a little bit of a pop and a glow, but I do want to try this out as highlight because I hate sparkly blushes, but I could use a pinky highlight. So I'm just gonna put this on this brush. Okay. Yeah, it's very subtle, so I'm gonna do more like circular motions, so it could kind of look blushy. Oh my god, do you see that crease? Wow. 8 hours, my ass. Yeah, wow, she's glowing. I like it. I like it a lot. I'll try it as eyeshadow eventually, but till then, it's a really pretty natural highlight. I'm doing my sister's makeup for her wedding, so I might honestly use this. Wow, go Eden. Never heard of you, but Eden Ella. Ella Eden. Fuck. So the last thing I have in my bag is this Mellow Cosmetics lipstick. It's creamy matte lipstick and candy floss. And it is this bright pink, I told you, color. And this is a velvety matte lipstick that glides on like butter, stays put for hours, and has a subtle vanilla scent, which it smells very candy-like. I wouldn't say vanilla, but candy floss, I get it. It's moisturizing with vitamin E, which means it's super comfortable and non-drying, which I hate because I am that bitch who gives up comfort for lipstick that does not budge. Neon Pink's shade is insanely pretty and seriously summery, which it is. I just don't know how it's gonna be with like this metallic dark green liner, but we're here, so we're gonna try it out. So it has a weird texture. It's like almost grainy. It does slide on super smooth. I will give it that. Oh my god, it's so bright and I fucked it up so much. It's very smooth. It also has a like slightly grainy texture. It's so weird to describe. And it's bright. It's not completely opaque, which in a matte lipstick I feel like you have to be. This probably I won't be wearing too much, or if I do, it'll be a very different look. So yeah, that is my first impressions of Ipsy. I will come back. I'm going out with a friend. I'm gonna be outside, probably be sweating. I'm gonna be eating, blinking, which might fuck this up royally. But I will come back to you in a few hours and let you know how this held up tonight. So I'm back. It is around 11:30, which means I've been up for 6 hours in this makeup. Let's go over a basic of how these all held up. So first off was the concealer. I do gotta say, I love how blendable this concealer is. Like, it is the most blendable one I've ever tried. So that's good going for it, but there's just really nothing to it. So unless I need something really, really light to just maybe do a little bit of like, not even color correcting, but just kind of laying it over, I wouldn't really reach for that, just because it's, if it blends out, like, that's great, but there's nothing to blend out because nothing's really there. I don't know, that's just my take on it. This green eyeliner, it definitely grew on me. Like, I wish it had been purple, but it definitely, if you look, there is a ton in the crease. It's starting to fall down on my eye a little bit. It's definitely faded. I don't know how they could say it could last 8 hours without any smudging, because it's just, it has. The next one was the Ella Eden eyeshadow. This one was the absolute winner for me. It's on the highway, it was almost golden hour, and just like a beam of light hit my cheek, and it was just glow. It's just such a good, like, from within natural looking glow. It's great. A real surprise for me was the lipstick, because it kind of, there's nothing, it doesn't feel like there's product touch on my lips. It definitely stains it, because I was trying to wipe it off because I was going to meet with my friend and I didn't want to be wearing green eyeliner and pink lipstick. I thought it was gonna look like a weird watermelon-y thing, but no, it stays on. And this is after a ton of sushi just shoved in my mouth and talking a ton and hours of being out and no reapplications. So I think it held up pretty well for something that's like a satin matte and not like a liquid matte. Like, it stains your lips and that's how it stays on. So I don't think it's the best Ipsy has ever given me. I don't think it's the worst. Just somewhere there. I haven't tried the sheet masks yet, but I'm going to try those out. Hopefully they'll be a win. So for products I will be reaching for again, I might reach for Smashbox. We'll see. I'm definitely going to reach for the Ella Eden eyeshadow, and I might reach for the eyeliner. If you guys got Ipsy, let me know what you guys got in your box. If you have any other makeup subscription boxes, let me know about them. As always, subscribe, like, leave a nice comment if you want. Yeah. What the fuck was that? So these are the Khaleesi, but I can't pronounce it. Khaleesi Caffeine Rush Nourishing Facial